Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Botany by Dr. Jaswinder Kaur. Today I am going to discuss part 4th of the series 300 most expected cytology MCQs for all competitive exams like TGT, PGT, assistant professors, Botany PCS, Scientist B, MSc entrance exams, etc. Without wasting time, let's start. The cytoskeleton of a cell is comprised of the microtubules and microfilaments, which is not a characteristic of leucoplast. Leucoplasts are the category of plastids and as such are organelle found in plant cells. So among these four statements, we have to find the characteristic that is not present in leucoplast. Contain few thylakoids. Yes, leucoplast contains few thylakoids. This is correct statement. Then contain ribosomes in the stroma in juvenile stage. This is also correct. Contain plastoglobuli. This is also correct. And bound by single membrane. This is the incorrect statement because they are bound by double membrane, not by single membrane. Singer and Nicholson proposed fluid mosaic model to explain the structure of. They propose a fluid mosaic model to explain the structure of cell membrane. In a cell, major proportion of RNA is found in. Major proportion of RNA or the maximum amount of RNA is found in the ribosomes. Which one of the following cell organelle is stained with Fulgen stain? Nucleus are the organelles that are stained by Fulgen stain. While studying the cell with the electron microscope, a scientist notes the following: numerous ribosomes, a well-developed endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast, and a cell wall. Which of the following could be the source of this cell? As we know, chloroplast and cell wall, these are present only in the plant cell. So the correct answer of this will be the plant cell. The term cell was coined by Robert Hooke in the year 1665. The cell theory is not applicable to the viruses because viruses are the submicroscopic infectious agents that replicates only inside the living cell of an organism. That is why the cell theory is not applicable for the viruses. Statocysts are the cells that are thought to be involved in the gravitropic perception in plants located in the cap tissue of the roots. They contain statoliths that are sac-filled amyloplastic organelles. So statocyst contains amyloplast. Internal outgrowths of the cell wall are called cytoliths. Mycoplasma are the cells that contains both DNA as well as RNA. Thylakoids occur in chloroplast. In chloroplast, the inner surface of the two layers forming the lamellae has a granular organization these are known as quantasomes. Ribosomes are the site of which reaction? Ribosomes are the site for the protein synthesis. Electron transport chain complex of mitochondria is present in. The electron transport chain complex of mitochondria is present in the inner membrane of mitochondria. Carbon fixation reaction takes place in chloroplast. Carbon fixation reactions takes place in the stroma of the chloroplast. Degradation of hydrogen peroxide takes place in. Degradation of hydrogen peroxide takes place in the peroxisomes. The most abundant macromolecule in plant cell wall is the cellulose. Cellulose is the most abundant macromolecule in plant cell wall. Living cells can be observed under the phase contrast microscope. Which organelles are membrane sacs used to transport molecules? These are the vesicles that are used to transport molecules. Which organelles transports molecules through cells? Through cells, mitochondria help to transport molecules. The organelle involved in transport of molecule to outside the cell. These are the endoplasmic reticulum that helps to transport of molecules to outside the cell. Regarding microtubule assembly and disassembly during cell division, which will be the most appropriate answer? Among these, appropriate answer is the kinetochore microtubules polymerize at the plus end throughout the mitosis. This is the correct answer. Important function of nucleolus is the synthesis of. The main function of nucleolus is the synthesis of rRNA and the mRNA. Ribosome is a nucleoprotein. Enzymes that control progression of cell cycle are cyclin dependent kinases are the enzymes that control the progression of cell cycle. Separation of daughter chromosomes during cell division is mediated by. They are mediated by the centromeres. Centromeres help in the separation of daughter chromosomes during cell division. The chromosomes are attached to the spindle fiber by means of centromere. Chromosomes are attached to the spindle fiber. What are phlegmoplasts? Phlegmoplasts are the set of microtubules that are formed during cell division to guide the dictosome vesicles to the site of cell wall formation. This is the correct answer. Kinetochore is a complex of proteins. The phenomenon of programmed cell death is known as apostasis. Apostasis is the programmed cell death. Which one of the following blocks microtubule assembly by binding tubulin? Colchicine blocks the microtubule assembly by binding to the tubulin. Which one of the following prevents depolymerization of microtubules? Taxol prevents the depolymerization of microtubules. Histones are proteins. Nucleosome is a part of chromatin. The molecules that mediate most of the functions of plasma membrane are. These are the proteins that mediate most of the function of plasma membrane. The cell organelle associated with cell plate formation. Dictosomes are the organelles that are associated with the cell plate formation. The largest phase of meiosis first. It is the prophase first that consists the largest phase of meiosis first. Cell theory was proposed by Schleiden and Schwann. Autophagy is associated with. Autophagy refers to a set of pathways by which cytoplasmic material is delivered into lysosome for degradation. So we can say autophagy is associated with lysosomes. The smallest organelle in eukaryotic cell is the ribosome. Dictosome is the word used for. Dictosome is used for series of cisternae in a Golgi steak. With reference to anthocyanins, consider the following statements. Which of the statements given above are correct? First statement is anthocyanins impart red color to flower petals. This is correct. They are soluble in water. This is also correct because anthocyanins are soluble in water. They are located in vacuoles. Yes, they are present in vacuoles. So all the three statements are correct. So correct answer is option D. 1, 2 and 3. Seed storage protein synthesis is associated with? It is associated with rough endoplasmic reticulum. The nucleus in the cell was discovered by? Nucleus in the cell was discovered by Robert Brown in year 1831. The site of lipid synthesis is? Lipids are synthesized at endoplasmic reticulum. The term chromosome was coined by? This term chromosome was coined by Valdier in 1888. Plasma membrane is made up of? Plasma membrane is made up of lipoproteins. Which one of the following is the non-living component of plant cell? Among these, non-living component of plant cell is vacuole. Consider the following statements. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? First is, chloroplasts synthesize some of the proteins that are essential for photosynthesis. This is correct. Mitochondria proliferate through the division by fission of pre-existing mitochondria. This is also correct because mitochondria multiplies or proliferate through fission by pre-existing mitochondria. Both the statements are correct. So correct answer is option C, both A and B. That's all for today. Rest of the questions I will discuss in next video. If you found this video useful, then please like, comment and share with your friends. Until next time, goodbye.